Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a SoundCloud account on a smart speaker. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your smart speaker is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the SoundCloud app. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once opened, log into your SoundCloud account using your credentials. Now, locate the settings menu within the app, usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on the settings icon to access various options related to your account. Scroll down until you find the option for Connected Devices or Smart Speakers. Select this option to see a list of compatible devices. Choose your smart speaker from the list that appears. You may be prompted to confirm the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This may involve logging into your smart speaker's app, such as the Google Home app or Amazon Alexa app. Once logged in, confirm that you want to link your SoundCloud account. You may receive a notification that the connection has been successfully established. Return to your smart speaker to ensure it recognizes your SoundCloud account. You can now enjoy streaming your music directly through your smart speaker. If you encounter any issues, revisit the SoundCloud app settings to verify the connection. Make sure both your smart speaker and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. That's it. You're ready to enjoy your favorite tracks on your smart speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.